What's up, Airkewld Army? It's your friend Pete from Airkewld. Today we're going to be assembling Mr. Avery's Shockless beam in SilverVein. Should be a fun one. Hope you enjoy. If you do, consider subscribing. If you don't, get off the channel. No, I'm just playing. We appreciate. Hope you enjoy. Parts for Mr. Avery's beam build ready to go, I think. So we got PRObuilt arms in SilverVein. Everything, we had to make an update recently. Melee, with the COVID thing, stopped producing ball joints. So we had to go with Phoebe brand. So we got Phoebe brand ball joints, CV Performance drop spindles, Melee tie rod ends, eccentrics, narrow tie rods, Bose steering dampener, all this hardware, PRObuilt steering box, all the accoutrement to assemble this, and we're gonna showcase installing it on our Shockless beam you saw in that episode.
And I'm keeping an open line to connect the dots from me to you. You got me under your fingertips, and you can have me any way you choose. And you got what I can't resist, and I'm into this to get close to you. We got a good. We got a good connection. Connection. Got a good connection. Got a good connection. Got a good connection. Swinging bone, you can bend it like plastic. You can roll it out and skip it like a stone. never outlast it. 'Cause I'm always staying